In this video, we want to solve the equation negative cosine x minus 6 cosine 8x equals 0. We'll first get rid of the negatives by multiplying both sides by -1. We'll get cosine 8x plus cosine 6x equals 0. And then we're going to want to apply the sum of two cosines identity. So cosine of a plus cosine of b is equal to 2 cosine a plus b over 2 times cosine a minus b over 2. Replace a with 8x, b with 6x. We have 2 cosine 8x plus 6x over 2 times cosine 8x minus 6x over 2. That simplifies to just 2 cosine 7x times cosine x equals 0. So now we want to set cosine 7x and cosine x equal to 0. So the first case, cosine 7x equals 0. Well, when is cosine 0? That's going to be for pi over 2 plus n pi. But then we want 7x to equal that, so we have to divide by 7 to get pi over 14 plus n pi over 7. And then we want cosine x equals 0. Well, we said that's x equals pi over 2 plus n pi. So now we just combine those two answers. We'll say that the general solution for the equation are x equals pi over 14 plus n pi over 7, or x equals pi over 2 plus n pi.